So guys, to change your Windows 11 update settings, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you can scroll down. We have an option right here called get the latest updates as soon as they're available. It's turned off by default. The reason why is because of stability concerns. I recommend just keeping this off. Now for the next setting, you have pause updates. So you can choose how long you want to pause automatic updates for. You've also got your update history right here. You can view this. And you have advanced options as well. We're going to click on advanced options. Let's say you have some other Microsoft products installed such as Excel, Word, etc. If you turn this on and then you check for updates normally on Windows Update, it will also install updates for the Microsoft products as well. You could also choose to download updates over meter connections. So for example, if you're using mobile data, Windows will not automatically download updates to save your data. If you turn it on, then Windows will download updates no matter what you're using. I recommend just keeping this off to save your data. If you're using something like mobile data, you could also set your active hours. During these hours, Windows will avoid restarting your computer for updates, so you're not interrupted while you're working. You can set this option to automatically, so Windows is going to see what hours you are usually on your computer for, and then it will set it automatically for you, or you could just set it manually.